If you're looking forward to design and build a rental property, you need such an illustration. Why? Because before even the project starts, you are able to see exactly how your project turns out. For instance, there is this project we've been working on. It's a rental property made of 1 bedrooms on a 50 by 100 plot. The 50 side is where we have the road, as you can see, and this other side is the 100 feet side. So for this case, we have the gate at this point. Ukiangalia kwa ground floor tuko na parking na tuko na 2 wings. Okay, if you look at this parking, it is open to the sky. As you can see from up here, the parking area is open to the sky. Why? Because we need a lot of lighting and a lot of ventilation. So kwa ground floor, kwa first floor and kwa second floor tuko na 1 bedroom units. Then, as I'll show you later, kwa rooftop, that is the 3rd floor, we have 2 bedroom units. Okay, so before tuchambue hii 3D sana, let's look at the layout. As you can see, the layout is already dimensioned, so we can hide these so that we are able to see clearly how the rooms are arranged. So this is the main gate over here. Parking mkiona, which is open to the sky, iko hivo. So there are 2 wings here. There is wing A and wing B. Let's look at one unit of the 1 bedroom tuone how it is arranged. So from this point, you see, this is where we have the door that leads us to the lounge, and to the left we have a corridor that leads us to the kitchen, the washroom and the bedroom. So all the units zinakaa hivi with a spacious lounge, a kitchenette, a washroom that has a toilet, a shower and a wash hand basin. Alafu sasa bedroom yetu iko na a 5 by 6 bed and a wardrobe. How big is a wardrobe? A wardrobe can be as big as 2 meters long and 2 feet wide, which is the standard size of a wardrobe. So ukitaka kujenga rental property, you need a plan. You need a building construction planner who will professionally plan your space so that you can get as much income as possible and as much realistic rooms as possible. So you don't want to build units that are too dark, that are poorly ventilated, because hizo utapata, ukipata tenant leo, the next month anahama because anapata a better house. Okay, so one of the things I would like you guys to note is the space between one block and the other. Ukiangalia, it's sufficient space that is not congested at all. Okay, so let me show you where the staircase is. We have the staircase at this particular point. So the staircase kutoka kwa ground floor unaenda first floor, second floor, 3rd floor and finally the rooftop. So hapa juu kwa rooftop we can have water tanks. We can also have laundry areas whereby watu watakuwa wanaanika manguo zao na wanafanyia usafi huko. Another thing I want you to note is these ventilations. Ukiangalia, some of you guys mnachorewa apartment, unapata at the end of it unapata the apartment is very very stuffy because hamwekewi spaces kama hizi. Okay, wind flow through your building is very very important. Ukiangalia hapa, these corridors are well ventilated. Kuna open spaces. For instance, from this corridor to this block unapata there is a lot of ventilation that can be well illustrated from the back view. Ukiangalia kama ni hii dirisha, hizi slabs za first floor, second floor na 3rd floor hazifiki huku mwisho. Hapana. What do we have? We have spaces. Okay, ukiangalia hizi dirisha zote hazijafunikwa so that we have ample ventilation, which is very 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 important for you to plan better and build better. So if you're there and you have a plot, maybe 100 by 100 or 50 by 100, and you'd like to develop bedsitter units, 1 bedroom units, 2 bedroom units, any kind of rental property, just get in touch so that we are able to plan for you better and build for you better.